Hey 8th graders, it's Miss Skeen here in my mobile office near the library in Alvin because the internet is pretty much out in my house until next week. So here I am. I want to show you some changes that I've made to our classroom. You really won't see it on the stream because the stream is messy. So when you have questions about what work is due and where it is and that kind of information, look under classwork. Under classwork, you'll see it's been organized. You've got weekly assignments, trivia, and then below trivia is everything else that we've done this school year. So here is where you'll find the things that are due for a grade. The grades start on Monday. So next week's material, you get grades for, grades like for actually doing it, and then for mastery. Okay, so this week's plan, there are a few changes. So you've got here, I still have an example doc for you. This has been updated for the new material, so you've got a little bit more about kind of how I would like to see your assignment. You do have a writing assignment, and then here's the information about what we're studying this week. So that's the sample. But you can see here where it talks again about the choice board. Your choice board, please don't do the same thing you did last week. And you guys, make sure it's something from the choice board. I couldn't tell from everybody. So make sure that it makes sense. Here you have your writing assignment. It's a picture, sort of, to go along with the assignment. And then a sport. The sport's going to be played with jetpacks. So be creative. Come up with good stuff. It's step-by-step directions. You know, if there's supposed to be a snitch involved, then make sure that you tell me about it. And then you have social studies. Well, this week again, you have a hyperdoc. There will be a separate assignment in the classwork of that hyperdoc. And then you also have the information about your choices. You can either watch another crash course video, or here's an article about women's rights and the changes that have happened over time in America. So there's that assignment. You have the other one. Oops, sorry. The other assignment that's in here is the actual hyperdoc. And again, when it does this, it will create for you an assignment that you can write on and then just turn that in. So it's two different things there. Okay, I hope this helps. And I am going to look for creating a Google Hangout for us at some point next week. I'm not sure exactly when because, depends on the internet. So I would really like to do that because I'd like to see your happy smiling faces or your grumpy faces, whatever. Just your faces would be good. I miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Technology.